Hello everyone, I've gotten a massive amount of requests for a how to install mods video. Now I'm not going to show you how to install any specific mods because installing mods is pretty much universal. So there's a few things you need to understand. If you've tried installing mods before, you need to find your Minecraft folder. So for Mac it's your user, library, application support, and then Minecraft is in there somewhere. Now, if you've done any editing to your Minecraft folder before, you need to get your saves, which is going to be right here, drag your saves out, and delete the entire folder. Yes, I mean, grab this, delete the entire folder, start Minecraft again, log in, and it's going to re-download all the important files, and you'll be perfectly fine. So you can see it's downloading all the stuff, all that jazz. Just made another Minecraft folder, and once it fully gets to here, it's going to have all the things except for a saves folder because there's no new world. So just make a world, and then it'll create a saves folder, and you'll be able to put your worlds back in. So go to bin. You are going to archive this, and look, it made a folder. So we're going to delete this file, the minecraft.jar, and the new folder we're going to rename minecraft.jar. And make sure you click add. So now that we've done that, we're going to go to the meta-inf file folder and delete the Mojang files. Leave this one here, leave the folder there, and now you're all good. Now, your Minecraft is set up to mod now. You can install any mods, and if their mods are designed correctly, they should work. So you've got a clean slate, and I recommend to you starting Minecraft, start a world, and each time you install a mod, make sure you do this. Start a world, or click on a world you've played before. Make sure that you could get in here and move your mouse, walk around, make sure it doesn't crash on you. Alright, so look, it's moving around, I'm doing good, it hasn't crashed, it's not going to. So we're going to quit, and you'll notice right away it makes a saves folder right here. And I'm going to drag all these in here and replace world 1 because I don't really care about that other one. So it's all good. Now you're going to install whatever mods, and when I'm not going to baby you guys are going to have to look up the mods yourselves. You're going to have to go read the requirements. Make sure you read the requirements for the mods, because mods have requirements. Most of them do. Pretty much all the good mods have, you're going to need to download something like Mod Loader, Audio Mod, or some Screen Settings API. And this is not what I'm going to want to extract it to. So when you unrar your mod loader or whatever, you're going to get these files, these class files. Class files are good. So I actually don't want those class files right there. So now that you've got your clean slate Minecraft.jar, we're going to copy all the class files into here and apply to all and replace. And so these class files are all good. And true to my word, I'm going to go to my Minecraft, and I'm going to run it, and to make sure it works. Now, I have some worlds that have modded items on there. If I go to those worlds, it's going to crash. So if you have a world that has modded stuff on it, and you don't have the mods installed anymore, it's not going to work, buddy. I'm sorry. So look, working good. I know this world doesn't have any mods. I didn't install any mods really. All I did was install mod loader, which does not, it's not a mod, it just keeps things from conflicting and it actually helps the mods work. So everything's going good, and that's how you install everything. Look at this. It's just going to be some different stuff. When you have, usually there's a readme when you download stuff. There was with this, but I deleted it. You're going to get sometimes have stuff that has PNGs in there. That means you're going to have to go to Minecraft, find the similar folder. It's going to be named similar. So let's look for mob. And look, mob. It's going to have PNGs. So when I go to here, it has all these PNGs. I know that's good. I'm going to go click these PNGs and copy them. And paste these PNGs into the mob folder. Now I didn't install the thumbs because usually that's just like something that doesn't really need to be in there. But you can if you want to. I usually don't. I don't really care what you do. Well, that's not fair to say. I do. I do care what you do. So when I go look at this, all right. Great. More class files. And I'm just gonna only do this minimal. And you want to make sure you always click apply to all and replace. I'm not gonna install every single mod that I have just for the sheer amount of time that would take. That would take too long. The videos can only be 15 minutes. And see all these great class files. I'm gonna copy all these class files, and we're gonna paste all these class files. And we're going to run Minecraft. And I just want to get this out of the way. I'm going to get this back in the folder that belongs in, because stuff will get pretty chaotic. I recommend making a folder just for mods. So let's see, single player, World 5. And let's see if it works. So we're going to look around, see if we can find any interesting characters that are not normally in there. So what I installed was a mod that creates more people. Sometimes it takes a little bit. Oh, if I'm on peaceful. No, not peaceful. Should be seeing some peeps. And so it's always good to run your Minecraft and see if your mod is working. Check it. See if everything's going good. If it's not going good, make sure that you've installed all the right files. Sometimes in my case, I install mods so often that I alter the original Minecraft or whatever, or I alter the originally downloaded mod, and so it doesn't function the way it should, and which isn't always good. Alright, so look, we see that guy over there. I know that isn't a normal mob, so I know this mod has been installed successfully. Always double check your stuff, guys. Always make sure, test after every single mod. It's really not that hard. So look at this. I can see this guy's walking around. I know it worked. I'll let you guys take a good look at him so you can see. You know this isn't no ordinary mob. What is this guy? Huh. Kinda scary looking. Let's see how much time I have left. 10 minutes. Well, that pretty much about does it. So I just want to remind you guys that installing mods isn't hard at all. You guys need to always look for the readmes in the mods, because mods that are more than just copying and pasting the class files into Minecraft.jar will have a readme. It's important to read them. When you cross something across this, let me show you. Oh crap. Alright, so that actually wasn't that bad. So when you come across something like a folder like this, look in your Minecraft.jar and see if you don't have a folder like this. Alright, so I'm going to look for I. There is no IXBM folder. I'm going to look for P. Look, there's a Paul's Code folder. So click this and look, sound, codecs. That's telling you where to look. So sound, codecs. You see what I mean, guys? It's really not that hard. It's telling you what to do. So I installed Paul's Code and drag this into the trash. This is just a class file, so I can drag it directly into the Minecraft.jar. And the same thing with replace. I'm going to always make sure you replace. Same thing with this. These are just class files. I'll just copy and paste them just so you guys know I'm not like, fuck did I just do? I think I moved into trash by accident. So you guys know you're just copying and pasting items. It's really not that hard. And like I said before, make sure you always, after you install something, guys, you always need to click your Minecraft and make sure it's working okay. You guys need to check. It's really important when you click this and it says, oh, it's crashed. Well, now you know, well, I installed this mod and it crashed. Try it again. Just install that mod by itself, and if it crashes with that mod by itself, maybe it's a bad mod. You need to read the forums. Make sure that you go to the forums like this. Let's just look. So Google whatever mods you want. If you guys want to know the names of the mods I use, I'll let you know. But I'm not going to give you the link because I want you guys to look. I want you guys to read the forums. Read the forums, read the discussion. It'll tell you this mod is not compatible with this mod. This mod will work well with this. You need this and this file for this mod. So we're going to go to grappling hook. Alright, look, so it needs this. I don't have this. I didn't have this. So look, we're going to download it. We're going to look around. You are going to read this entire page. I've already read it several times. But just keep that in mind. You always need to read the entire page. Not necessarily the comments. Read a few comments. If people are having like horrible trouble with it, you guys know that you're not the only one doing something wrong. But you guys always need to make sure you look for the requirements. Oh look, download grappling hook. Great. Look at this. Download. Where is this? Where is this going to be? Download this mod. I want. You must have mod loader. So look at it says prerequisites. A lot of mods are going to have this. And let's see. Main download. So look, download. Oh man. Oh boy. Download. You gotta look around. You gotta read the mods, dude. You gotta read the forums. You gotta know what you're downloading. So I hope you guys learned something. I'm not going to show you how to install. What is this? What is this? Probably like some porn site or something. Shopping for charity? No, thank you. You guys need to make sure you read the forums. You copy the class files into the correct place. All of that jazz. Check your Minecraft. Back up your saves. Do what you got to do. Alright, guys. I hope you learned something. I really hope you learned something. I hope you guys have a better understanding. Please subscribe, make sure to post comments, and post suggestions for future videos.